It takes time to learn through working on yourself, getting experience with clients, with different kinds of people you work with, their individual responses, with those unique minds that we all possess, which are wonderful, meaning full of wonder. And hypnosis is a way to explore the mind, develop the mind, and you'll learn this starting today if you haven't already grasped it. It's what we're already using to varying degrees in a way that often works against us. People's circumstances in life are the results largely of the programs that they're running. Contrary to what the social psychologists may tell you, that it's environment and social conditions, which of course do press on people very adversely sometimes, but have little to do with the person who is able to rise through their own power and challenge and overcome those pressures. As I sometimes quote Bruce Lee when somebody said to him, your circumstances are dire. He couldn't get a job because he was Chinese and different things were not working well for him. The economy was a bit flat. He said, circumstances, hell, I make circumstances. And that's how hypnotherapists, real hypnotherapists,